Okay children, this is part 2 of different kinds of boards. In first part we already solved first question and now we will solve second question. Okay, so what is the second question? One group of children went for the double decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. How much children went for the double decker trip? Okay, so they went for double decker. What is the price for double decker? Double decker price is 30 rupees. Okay, price is rupees 30. Okay, and total how much money they paid? They paid 450 rupees. Total 450 rupees they paid. So okay, it means for one children they paid rupees 30. Okay na? For one children they paid 30. So what we have to do here? We have to count 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. If you can divide it. You divide 450 from 30. You will get the answer. But because you don't know division, that is why you add it repeatedly and till you are not getting 450. Okay. So see. First child rupees 30, second child again rupees 30. It means what is how much money they paid? 30 plus 30 rupees 60 they paid. Okay, again for third child 60 plus 30 how much they paid? 90 rupees. For fourth child 90 plus 30 rupees 120 they paid. For fifth child they paid 150. For sixth child, they paid 180. Understood? For seventh child, they paid 210 because 180 plus 30, 210. Eighth child, they paid 240. Ninth child, they paid 270. 10th child, they paid 300. 11th child 330. For 12th child 360. For 13th child 390. For 14th child 420. 420. And for 15th child 450. We got our answer 450. It means how many children went? Total how many children went? 15 children. Understood now? So how many children went for double decker trip? What is the answer? 15 children. Hope you understand children. Next question. Which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour? 1 hour में two trips complete करने वाला कौन सा boat है? 1 hour means 60 minutes. Okay. Let us see the timing of different boats. Double decker 45. 45 means 2 trips. 45 plus 45 will be 90 minutes. So, not this. Next, paddle boat. Paddle boat is 30 minutes. 1 trip 30 minutes. So, 2 trips will be 60 minutes. So, what is 60 minutes means 1 hour. Same. Look at here. What is the question asking? Which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour? Which boat is making 2 trips in 1 hour? Paddle boat. Okay, so our answer is paddle boat. Okay. Now next question. Which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? Less than half an hour. Half an hour means 30 minutes. It means we have to find out which boat takes less than half an hour, means less than 30 minutes to complete a trip. First double-decker boat takes 45 minutes. Paddle boat takes 30 minutes, means half an hour. Motor boat takes 20 minutes. Boat with oar takes 45 minutes. It means which boat takes less than half an hour? Motor boat. Okay, because it is taking only 20 minutes. Half an hour means 30 minutes. Na? So it is taking less than half an hour. So our answer is motor boat. You have to write it in your maths notebook, children. Next, which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Which boat is taking least money and giving more time? First we will see which boat is taking least money. Double decker 30, paddle boat 15, motor boat 25, boat with oars 15. Okay, so paddle boat is taking 15 and boat with oars is also taking 15 rupees. But which boat is taking more time also, most time also? Here, most time with least money we have to see. Least money, two boats are taking least money. But which boat is giving more time? Paddle boat is giving 15 rupees 30 minutes and boat with oars in rupees 15 giving 45 minutes. So which motor boat is giving most time and least money? Boat with oars. Okay. So you write here boat oars. Okay. Now next, last question. Javed went twice for boating. Javed went twice means 2 times he went for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40. 2 times he went and he paid rupees 40. He went 2 times. It doesn't mean mean that he went in the same boat. Maybe he changed. One time he went to one boat and other time he went in another boat. Okay na? But he paid rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. He boated for 50 minutes, means in his 2 trip he paid rupees 40 and he boated 50 minutes. Which 2 boats did he take? Now you have to write which 2 boats he take. So rupees, first we will see 50 minutes. In which boat he will go? In which boat he will go? First we will see the trip time. 2 times trip should be 50 minutes. Huh? First 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 20 minutes and 45 minutes again. So 45, 30 will be more. 30 and 20 will be 50. It means I think he took paddle boat and motor boat 30 minutes, and because 30 minutes and 20 minutes is 50 minutes. Na? So let us see the price also. He paid 40 rupees. So what is the price of paddle boat and motor boat? 15 rupees, 25 rupees. 25 plus 15 is 40. Okay. So we got the answer. It means 2 times in his 2 trips. One time he went in paddle boat and second time he went in motor boat. Okay. So our answer is motor boat, and paddle boat. Okay children. So this is your today's work. You see both the videos and complete this page, these 2 pages, page number 33 and page number 32 in your maths notebook, and send me the pic. Okay. And you remember that multiplication is nothing, just repeated addition. Okay. Thank you children.